What's good, YouTube? Back with another video, you know the vibes. I'm gonna try to get some polls for y'all, but I don't know. That's if we get fucking space and all that shit. Drive the fucking car, niggas. Fuck. Motherfucker moves. Love this shit. Right now we in the hood, you know the vibes. Damn, look at that beam over there. Shit is looking nice. I don't know if y'all can see it, but see if I can do a pull down this hill. I don't know how people can say like this car's not fast and shit. Yeah, it's not fucking 500 horsepower or shit like that, but yo, some of y'all motherfuckers can't even drive those cars with those horsepower. I know I can, but eventually I'll get there. See if I can do a little pull. This fucking dickhead ass nigga. Y'all hear that exhaust though, right? It's the AWE. Let's get it. It's a calm POV drive, trying to get some pulls in. That's if I can get them in, but I'm gonna go straight. This road is fucked up, but I must just go that way. Gotta be very careful right here, cause motherfuckers will definitely hit your shit. Look at these fucking roads, yo. New York roads, I'm telling you, garbage. They ain't gonna fix this shit, cause they don't want motherfuckers to be driving on this shit like fast and shit. So they'll never fix this shit. I know y'all hear that bump. Shit moves. Maybe down this hill I can get a little. Let's see. Ooh, that turbo though. I definitely need brakes. My fucking brakes is done. I had this car for like a year, maybe a year and a couple months, so it's definitely time for new brakes. So this is gonna be like a little day POV, you know, morning time POV. Well, it's 12:09, but y'all get the point. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna try to get a fucking. This nigga's bugging. I got there first. This motherfucker want to turn. Anyways. Y'all hear that exhaust? Woo-wee! That turbo sound good. Hope y'all can. Fuck. I'm gonna see if I can get a little pull down this way. Let's see. A second gear maybe. Let's see. Second gear pull. Yep. That's that 10 gen shit. I love these shits. All SIs. I love SIs in general. I just can't afford a fucking Type R. That's why I don't got that shit, but eventually If I sell 2 of my cars and shit, or get rid of 2 of them, I can definitely afford a Type R, but nah, I love my agent. I'm gonna let this nigga pass. These niggas be bugged out. What the fuck? It's that Bronx shit, you know? Motherfuckers be doing dumb shit. Riding these little bum ass bikes, whatever the fuck you call it. Look at this dumb motherfucker. About to hit this nigga. About to go get some quick gas. We just got some gas. About to go to my girl crib. Let's see. Hope if I can get some pulls in though, but there's never no fucking road to get pulls in at all. That's a nice ass truck in that car wash. What is that? Ford? Shit, nice. Oh yeah. Downshift. Ooh, I hope y'all heard that fucking turbo. Shit sound nice. Hopefully we get a little action on the fucking highway and shit. See, keep this shit rolling, nigga. I hope y'all like these damn videos and shit. I need y'all to like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow, you know. If y'all want to see me build the fucking cars and shit, like and subscribe. Shit, show me y'all want to see that shit. Either way, I'ma still do it, but feel me? Show some love, stop hating. A lot of motherfuckers be hating on this YouTube shit. Like, they'll watch your videos, not even leave a like. They want to leave a like, but you know, they just decide to hate and shit, so that's what it is. Shit sound good. I love driving stick, yo. Automatic cars, nah. Can't do that shit. Hopefully I can get a pull in. That fucking turbo sounds good. Fucking traffic. No room though to play, but ooh, this turbo sound good, yo. Hard pull. Let's get it. We in there. Let's go. Little cut up for y'all niggas. Downshift. Oh yeah. Go all the way to the right. That's how you drive a fucking car, nigga. I'm telling you. Downshift. That's how you drive. Wait till I get power, yo. I'm fucking the streets up. 3rd gear. Y'all hear this car though. I know y'all hear this shit. When I first got this car, she was so quiet. It still don't even got a downpipe.